Hi everyone, this is Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm super excited to share with you the start of my annual Creator Challenge. It's my newest design, Piper the Pixie. Last year's Creator Challenge was Coral the Mermaid's pattern, and here she is. Here's her sister actually, Mariella, and I have made her a little brother as well. Here's Micah, and if you would like to make them too, their patterns are also free on my blog. I had so much fun with this fantasy theme and saw some really amazing mermaid creations from all my participants last year, and I'm definitely looking forward to doing it again this year with a new magical creature. So I can't wait to see you put your own creative little twist on this pixie. Now, here's a quick preview of Piper the Pixie. She has a pointed little bonnet with frills to match the frills on her dress. The bonnet can be removed and put on for some fun play. So here it is off. And as you can see, it folds flat. Now, here, Piper has a set of wings, 2 larger wings on top and 2 smaller wings on the bottom. She also has her arms and legs made using the I-cord method. I do have an alternative that I'll share with you here, and the alternative that I made with this doll uses chaining instead of the I-cord method, so it will produce a thinner, flatter look, and you won't be able to change colors for making the shoes as easily here. So there's that to note, but this is an option for those of you who want to avoid I-cords. I have an I-cord tutorial though, and I think this is a quick and fun, easy way to make arms and legs, so I do encourage you to give it a go. Piper also has this cute lacy dress, as you can see, and a little dress collar. Underneath her dress is her body, which you can use an undergarment color for. And with the dangly legs and the shape of her dress, you can actually easily have Piper sit down on the palm of your hand, or she's always happy to accompany you on your desk and just look super cute. I'm going to have a written tutorial for Piper's exact hairstyle on my blog, but I will also have a couple different variations available on the PDF pattern purchase if you choose to get that. And if you do, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting Sweet Softies. I make a tiny bit of money from my blog from advertising, but if you buy the pattern, that definitely helps me out a lot as well, and helps me get supplies for additional designs. So the other 2 hairstyles that I will have in the PDF pattern includes this sort of like more stranded hairstyle that you can have your doll wear down, or you can tie. And you don't have to brush it out like this. If you don't, it will just be stranded it'll just be yarn strands. And the third option that I will have in the PDF pattern is a hair bun version. So I will show you how to create a hair bun and have it on your doll. You can position it high or low, whichever you'd like. So again, if you choose the PDF purchase, you will get a couple additional hair tutorials to play with. One more thing to note is that with the PDF purchase, you'll also get a lot of visual references. So that will be a nice organized way to see everything. Now, that's it for Piper the Pixie. I really hope you'll enjoy this free pattern that's coming up on my blog. I'll have the link in the description box below so you can view her pattern, and you can also read up on the easy rules of my Creator Challenge if you want to participate. Thank you so much for tuning in, And Piper cannot wait to see all her sisters and maybe even brother pixies. So until then, bye now.